My dear brothers and sisters, today's readings which you have heard are interconnected. They're inspiring, also challenging. They talk about God's nature. How can we describe God? And John says, God is love. The biggest creation of God by God is not we human beings or creatures around us, is love. And so this love will never die because God is immortal, everlasting. So what is created will not die. So love will never die. And this love He has made us. We are in like His own image and likeness. If we are His own image, we also ought to be like God in the sense of loving. John tells us, if you don't have love, we don't know God. If you don't love God and love our human beings, we don't know God. But God's nature is love. Therefore, to live in this world, joyful lives, happy lives, we should be constantly seeking God. And constantly seeking His creation because God's love is manifested in creation. So John truly advises us to be loving, to be like God, and to spend all our lives just loving, giving love and love to others. And this love is given without any conditions. And when you give love with a condition, the love comes back to us and we are satisfied. We see this scene in Gospel passage today where Jesus has compassion on the people. Compassion means feeling with others. The people were hungry. For they had been listening to Jesus all the while. And now, what He thought in words, He puts into action. He has compassion and also gives them something to eat so that they go home refreshed both spiritually and physically. So we ask God today to give the same grace, the same face of Jesus who looks at people, who loves them, and gives us something out of love and compassion.